So whether you're on a balcony, patio, porch, or in the garden, you can grow anything. We've got a container here that's got beets in it. Now the thing about beets is you need to thin them out. You put a seed in, and the seed is actually a cluster of 3, 4, 5 seeds. So we're going to take a look at this here. Now what you want to do, I got 1, 2, 3, 4 plants here. Now if you leave this all alone, it's not going to grow. They're just going to be greens. They're not going to have any bulb development. So what you want to do is cut, not pull, all but one. You can select whichever one you want, but the reason why you're cutting them and not pulling them is because if you pull them, you can pull everybody out at one time and you've ruined what you were intending to grow. Now that will reestablish itself and it will actually bulb up like a normal bulb, normal beet, because you're thinning out the other ones.
For more information, please visit thewisconsinvegetablegardener.com.